Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy channel. How to fix Wi-Fi automatically. Disconnecting on Windows. There have been reports from Windows users encountering a strange problem of getting randomly disconnected from their Wi-Fi network that they are connected to. It occurs not only on home networks, but work and public Wi-Fi as well. There are several workarounds that you can do to fix this problem, and it will be discussed in this video. But before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button for more troubleshooting videos. First solution, run Internet Connection Troubleshooter, utilizing Windows built-in troubleshooter tool that detects problems and fixes the problems found. If problems with your network is the cause for Wi-Fi automatically disconnects, running Internet Connection Troubleshooter can resolve this. That is why this is the very first step. To do this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. At Run dialog box, type MS Settings Troubleshoot and press Enter. At right pane, click Additional Troubleshooters. Click Internet Connections, then click Run the Troubleshooter tab. Windows will now detect problems. Follow the on-screen instructions to continue with the troubleshoot process. After running Troubleshooter, check if issue is resolved. If not, proceed to the next solution. Second solution, reset network adapter. If running Internet Connections Troubleshooter did not fix the problem, the next thing that you should do is to reset the network adapter. To do this, press Start or Windows button, then click Settings, an icon that looks like a gear. At Windows Settings, click Network and Internet. Depending on the Windows version you are using, Network Reset can either be found on Advanced Network Settings or at the Settings window. So in here, click on Network Reset option. Next, click on Reset Now tab to confirm reset. Next, restart computer. Once computer completely reboots, check if the issue still occurs. Third solution, flush DNS cache. Another possible reason for this problem to occur is if there are inconsistencies with the current DNS. To fix this, flush the current DNS cache from the elevated command prompt. To do this, type command prompt at the search bar located at the lower left. Click Run as administrator from the drop-down menu. At command prompt window, type the command ipconfig flush DNS and press Enter. Wait for process to complete, then type the command ipconfig register DNS and press Enter. Wait for process to complete, then exit command prompt window. Next, restart computer. Once computer completely reboots, and then check if the issue still occurs. Fourth solution, reinstall network adapter driver. After performing the solutions mentioned in this video, and the issue still persists, you may want to consider uninstalling and then reinstalling your current network adapter driver. To do this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. At Run dialog box, type dev mgmt.msc and press Enter. Then, at Device Manager window, click Network Adapter to expand it. Right-click on the driver and then click Uninstall Device from the drop-down menu. Wait for uninstall process to complete. Next, restart computer. Once computer completely reboots, drivers will automatically install and then check if the issue still occurs. And that's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.